2016 Chevy Camaro four-cylinder turbo. Really beautiful car. Really got some really nice accents on it all around. And what we got done on it, it's got a high flow cats on the motor, somewhere up there. Then we put a DYNOMAX race bullet. And he had it dualed out somewhere else. We don't know where, but he had it dualed out somewhere else and had the tips put on, his original tips put back on, right there and right there. And like always, guys, please subscribe. It's a four-cylinder turbo with a DYNOMAX race bullet and high flow cats. Got boosted? Keep drooling. I'm spooling. I like that. And like always, guys, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. Keeps us going and keeps the videos coming. 2021 Chevy Camaro four-cylinder turbo. No, exactly. Anyways, there's the downpipe. There's the stock catalytic converter. Downpipe with 3-inch pipe all the way. Then they put it down to 2-inch. I have no idea why, but you know, engineers for you. There's that gigantic muffler we just took off, and tailpipes and tips. And this is not our work. This is from the factory. This is what it looks like. I don't know why. But what we did on it, we did a rear muffler delete there and there, and cut this gigantic muffler off and put 4-inch tips, double walled, there and there. We'll see if we have a link in the description for it for you guys. That's how you do a muffler delete on these four-cylinder turbos. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, please subscribe, like, comment, and all that good stuff. And share, share, share. Not bad. It deepened it more. Yeah, it took the rasp out of it. Just gives it a deep tone. Sound decibels? When it spools up, it's like right away, whoa, 111. Go ahead and back it out. Horsepower, they push around 450.
So, from the factory with 275.
Okay.
You can get it tuned into 4 easily. Very easy.
That's awesome. With the right tune, the right setup, the right exhaust, 450, 500. Again? That sounds so good. I love it. Let you guys hear on the inside. You can hear the whistle a little bit. Give it gas. Higher. It's right at 100. Go ahead and back it up. Not bad. Still deep. It's not raspy. Sounds actually better than the V6s. I like it. You can actually hear it now. Let you guys hear on the inside.
raspy no more.